Do you remember when porches and patios were the heart of the home, where neighbors waved as they walked by, grandkids played with chalk on the steps, and evenings felt magical under soft lights? Well, what if I told you that you could bring back that charm today, with just a few simple Dollar Tree finds? Yes, my friends, you don't need to spend a fortune to make your porch or patio look like it belongs in a magazine. And wait until you see the 10th idea, because that one had my neighbors stopping in their tracks asking, "Where did you buy that?" Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Golden Years Lifestyle Hub. I'm so glad you're here with me today. Thank you for taking the time to spend a little part of your day together. It really means so much. Here on this channel, we celebrate the joy of gardening, creativity, and simple living in our golden years. And today, I'm trying the most viral Dollar Tree porch and patio DIYs and showing you step by step how you can do them too. These ideas are affordable, senior-friendly, and easy enough for anyone, no matter your energy level or gardening experience. Before we jump in, let me remind you, if you enjoy this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. It really helps YouTube recommend this channel to other wonderful gardeners in the US, the UK, Canada, Australia, and all around the world. Together, we're building a warm little gardening family, one project at a time. DIY 1, Mason Jar Solar Lanterns. Alright, let's begin with one of the simplest but most magical projects, Dollar Tree Mason Jar Solar Lanterns. These are perfect for adding that cozy glow to your porch in the evening without touching a single wire. Here's what you'll need: a couple of clear mason jars, some decorative stones or pebbles, and those little solar stake lights from Dollar Tree. That's it, 3 items. Step 1, place a small layer of stones at the bottom of your jar. This gives it weight so it doesn't tip over. Step 2, remove the solar light head from its stake. It should pop right off. Step 3, drop that light right into the top of your mason jar. The fit is almost perfect, like it was meant to be. Now, here comes the fun part. You can leave it simple and elegant, or add a few extras. Wrap some twine around the top for a rustic farmhouse look, or tuck in a few silk flowers along the edges for a splash of color. Set them out on your porch railing or patio table, and when the sun goes down, oh my goodness, you'll have a soft golden glow that makes the whole space feel magical. And here's the bonus: no batteries, no plugs, no fuss, just the sun doing its job. If you've ever worried that DIY projects might be too complicated, this is proof that they don't have to be. 3 steps, a few dollars, and you've just created a porch that feels warm and welcoming. If you're enjoying this first idea, don't forget to give this video a quick thumbs up. It really helps me know what inspires you, and it lets YouTube share these senior-friendly gardening ideas with even more friends around the world. DIY 2, faux terracotta planters. Now, let's move on to something that looks expensive but costs just a few dollars. Faux terracotta planters. You know those lightweight plastic pots from Dollar Tree? With a little trick, we can make them look just like the heavy, pricey terracotta ones. Here's how: grab a plastic pot, some acrylic paint from Dollar Tree, and a spoonful of baking soda from your pantry. Mix the paint with the baking soda. It gives the paint a gritty, textured look. Then brush it right onto the pot. As it dries, you'll notice it starts to look like clay. For an extra touch, dab on a second shade, maybe a bit of orange or brown, just to give it that sun-warmed effect. The result? A planter that looks like it came from a fancy garden store, but you'll know it cost just a couple of dollars. Perfect for geraniums, petunias, or even a simple fern on your porch. And don't worry if your brush strokes aren't perfect. The uneven texture is what makes it look real. That's the beauty of this project. It's forgiving, fun, and instantly transforms your patio. See? Nothing fancy, nothing hard, just creativity. And remember, if you're enjoying these ideas, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. We've still got plenty more, and trust me, you'll want to see number 10. DIY 3, Dollar Tree Hanging Baskets Upgrade. Now, let's add a little charm up high with Dollar Tree hanging baskets. You've probably seen those wire baskets with chains at Dollar Tree. On their own, they look a little plain, but with a small upgrade, they can become the highlight of your porch or patio. Start by lining the basket. If you can find cocoa fiber liners, wonderful, but here's a trick: you can also use a bit of moss or even an old burlap sack. It gives that rustic look while holding the soil in place. Next, fill it with potting mix and choose flowers that trail beautifully, like petunias, marigolds, or even ivy. As they grow, they'll spill over the sides, softening the wire and making it look lush and full. Here's my little bonus tip before planting. Give the wire basket a quick spray of metallic or matte black spray paint. It instantly makes it look more expensive and helps it last longer outdoors. Hang it by your porch railing or in a sunny corner, and you'll have a cheerful splash of color that greets you every time you step outside. And don't worry if you've never planted a hanging basket before. They're easy to water, easy to care for, and you'll feel so proud every time you see it blooming. Friends, if this idea made you smile, don't forget to like this video. Every like helps this little community grow, and it means more seniors like you can discover simple ways to make their gardens shine. DIY for upcycled dish garden. Here's a fun one, an upcycled dish garden. This is perfect if you've got a few old bowls, plates, or even teacups lying around. And if not, Dollar Tree has plenty to choose from. All you do is stack a sturdy plate on the bottom, then glue a bowl or smaller plate on top using strong craft glue. You can go 2 tiers, 3 tiers, however tall you'd like. Once it's dry, fill the bowls with soil and plant easy little succulents, herbs, or even colorful moss. It makes a charming centerpiece for a patio table or a unique accent on a porch railing. Plus, it's a wonderful way to give old dishes new life instead of tossing them away. And here's a sweet little bonus. You can even use these dish gardens to grow kitchen herbs like basil or parsley, so you'll have fresh flavor right at your doorstep. See how simple that was? A little glue, a little soil, and suddenly you've got something beautiful. Don't forget, if you're enjoying these ideas, hit subscribe so you'll be the first to know when we share more senior-friendly garden projects. DIY 5 Picture Frame Garden Signs. Now let's add a little personality with picture frame garden signs. This one is so easy, but it makes your porch or patio feel customized and cheerful. Pick up a few plain picture frames from Dollar Tree. Pop out the glass and instead paint the backing with chalkboard paint or even just use a piece of black construction paper if that's what you have. Slip it back into the frame and now you've got your own little garden chalkboard. You can write anything you like. Welcome friends, the name of your favorite flower, or even label your herb pots with basil, mint, or thyme. If your handwriting isn't perfect, don't worry. A little charm and humor go a long way. Here's my bonus tip. Spray paint the frames in bright colors like sunshine yellow or deep green for a pop of fun, or keep them rustic with a coat of white paint and a light sanding for that farmhouse look. These signs are lightweight, easy to make, and they add a personal touch that makes your outdoor space feel truly yours. If you love the idea of adding a little personality to your garden, give this video a quick like. It really helps our Golden Years Lifestyle Hub family grow and lets YouTube share these uplifting projects with more seniors around the world. DIY 6 Decorative Garden Trellis. Next up, let's create a decorative garden trellis, another Dollar Tree favorite. If you've got climbing plants like sweet peas, morning glories, or even tomatoes in pots, they'll love this. All you need is one of those plastic garden lattices or even a couple of wire cooling racks from Dollar Tree. Stand them upright in a planter or secure them together with zip ties and suddenly you've got a trellis ready for your plants to climb. To dress it up, you can spray paint it in black, white, or even a soft green so it blends with your garden. As the plants grow, they'll weave through the trellis and turn it into a wall of color and greenery. It's simple, it's lightweight, and it gives your porch or patio a vertical splash of life without taking up too much space. See how easy that was? A couple of dollars and a few minutes and you've created something that looks like it came from a garden magazine. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We've still got some wonderful ideas ahead, and the 10th one is the real showstopper. DIY 7 Faux Garden Wall Art. Now let's add some color to your porch walls with faux garden wall art. This project is all about making your outdoor space feel cheerful and alive, even if you don't have much space for plants. Pick up a foam board or canvas from Dollar Tree along with a bundle of faux flowers. Using hot glue, arrange the flowers in clusters across the board, mixing colors and textures just like you would in a real garden. You can create a heart shape, a wreath pattern, or even just a joyful splash of blooms. Once it's finished, hang it on your porch wall or lean it against a corner table. From a distance, it looks like a vibrant piece of floral artwork and it never needs watering. Bonus tip, switch it out with the seasons. Bright daisies for spring, sunflowers for summer, or deep reds and golds for fall. It's an easy way to keep your porch feeling fresh year-round. See how fun and simple that was? And remember friends, don't stress about perfection. It's all about creating joy. If you're enjoying these ideas, give this video a like so more seniors can find this inspiration. DIY 8 Planter Wind Chimes. Here's a project that adds both beauty and sound to your porch: planter wind chimes. It's simple, playful, and makes the loveliest little music when the breeze comes through. All you need are a few small terracotta pots from Dollar Tree, some strong string or twine, and a handful of beads. Thread the twine through the pots, spacing them out with beads so they don't bump too hard against each other. Tie a knot at the end, and you've got a cheerful little chime. For a fun twist, you can add seashells or small bells to the bottom for a softer jingle. Hang it from a porch hook and let the wind do the rest. It's light, inexpensive, and it brings that peaceful sound that makes sitting outside feel even more relaxing. Doesn't that sound delightful? A little breeze, a little music, and a big smile on your face. If you're enjoying these cozy porch ideas, make sure to subscribe. We still have 2 more to go, and number 10 is the one you'll definitely want to see. DIY 9 Decorative Pebble Stepping Stones. Now let's take a step, literally, into something creative with decorative pebble stepping stones. These are perfect for adding charm to a porch walkway, a patio edge, or even just as a decorative accent in a corner garden. All you'll need are that aluminum foil pans from Dollar Tree, a bag of quick-dry cement or plaster, and some pretty gems, pebbles, or glass beads. Pour the cement into the foil pan, then gently press your decorations right on top before it sets. You can make patterns, initials, or even invite your grandkids to press their handprints for a keepsake. Once it dries, pop it out of the pan, and you've got a one-of-a-kind stepping stone. Bonus tip: brush a little clear sealant over the top to keep the colors bright and weatherproof. It'll shine beautifully in the sun and last season after season. See how easy that was? A little creativity and you've got something both practical and personal. And don't go anywhere, my friends. The last idea, number 10, is the viral one that had my neighbors stopping in their tracks. DIY 10 Plastic Bottle Flower Towers Deck 1. And now, friends, here's the big one. The viral project that had my neighbors stopping mid-walk to ask, "Where did you buy that?" Plastic bottle flower towers. Would you believe this stunning piece is made from something most of us just toss away? Here's how simple it is. Gather a few plastic soda bottles, any size will do. Cut off the bottoms, then stack them on top of each other, threading them through a wooden dowel or sturdy stick for support. Each bottle becomes a little planting pocket. Fill the pockets with soil, and tuck in colorful flowers like petunias, pansies, or trailing lobelia. As they grow, the blooms spill over the sides, turning your tower into a waterfall of flowers. Here's a bonus tip: give the bottles a coat of stone texture spray paint, and you'd never guess they were plastic. It looks like something straight from a high-end garden catalog. Set it on your porch or patio and watch as it becomes the star of your outdoor space. It's budget-friendly, eco-friendly, and oh so beautiful. See, you don't need fancy tools or deep pockets to create something breathtaking. Just a little creativity and maybe a few recycled bottles and your porch can look like a garden showpiece. And there you have it, friends. 10 simple, affordable Dollar Tree DIYs to turn your porch and patio into a cozy, joyful retreat. From glowing mason jar lanterns to that show-stopping flower tower, each idea is easy, senior-friendly, and guaranteed to bring a smile every time you step outside. If you enjoyed these projects, please give this video a like, subscribe, and share it so more senior gardeners, whether in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, or anywhere in the world, can join our Golden Years Lifestyle Hub family. Remember, gardening isn't about perfection, it's about joy, creativity, and making beauty with what you have. You are capable, you are appreciated, and your golden years are meant to shine bright. Until next time, keep growing, keep smiling, and keep making your world beautiful.